Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila, another cooking episode. And today we are going to make our favorite Cebuano recipe, the humba. Please keep on watching. And here's our ingredients. We have here pork belly, garlic, onions, spring onions, brown sugar, salt and peppercorn, soy sauce, and vinegar. First is to clean the meat by washing it, and while doing that, heat the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add in your pork and cook it until it's golden brown. While waiting for the pork to be cooked, I'm harvesting or I'm getting some bay leaves from the indoor garden. I'll be using 5 leaves. And I have here my calamansi. So it's time to add the garlic. Just set aside the pork. Saute the garlic together with the onion. And then add your bay leaves. Add the peppercorn. Then season with salt. You may pour your soy sauce at this time. Then add the water. Let it cook for about an hour or an hour and a half until the meat is tender. And it's time to add the vinegar and let it boil without stirring. Then add your spring onions, the white portion of the spring onions, and then add also your brown sugar. Stir until well combined. When the humba is almost cooked, it's time to add your spring onions. And here is our finished product, our simple humba recipe. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified for our new uploads. See you in our next videos. Thanks. Bye for now.